In this video I will show how to make a counter and a moving message sign using several microbits that communicate by help of the radio function. We will start by looking at the counter. Here you see a 4-digit addition. Pressing button A, I can transfer a carry to the following microbit. Let us start by looking at this program. In the forever section, the variable number is constantly made one bigger and the current value is displayed in the LEDs. If number becomes equal to 10, we will start all over with number equal to 0. On the microbit it looks like this. Now we expand the program so that it sends the digit 2 as a message of a carry when the variable number reaches 10. It is done using the radio function. You can also send a carry by pressing button A. The next microbit must receive the signal. The program in it looks like this. When it receives a signal, the variable number becomes one larger. When it should have displayed 10, a radio signal is sent again, this time with the value 3. The variable received number in the radio section is a bit special. Here you can see how to drag it to another block. With 2 microbits, it now looks like this. If we put the same receiving program into a third microbit, the signal from microbit number 1 will be received by both microbit 2 and 3, and that won't work. So with multiple microbits, we need to create a system where the first microbit sends out the digit 2 as a message of a carry. This is only processed by microbit number 2. In the same way, microbit number 2 sends the digit 3 as a message of a carry, and it is only processed by microbit number 3. So the program for microbit number 3 is just like the previous one, but it must have new values for transferring the carry. A counter with 3 microbits now looks like this. If you use 4 microbits following the same system, it looks like this. With so many microbits, testing can take a long time. Therefore, you can transfer a carry by pressing button A. Here you once again can see what values are sent for transferring a carry from one microbit to the next. Now we will take a closer look at the moving message sign. The program for the first microbit looks like this. Its task is to divide the text into individual characters and display them one at a time. Once the character has been displayed, it is passed on to the next microbit. The length of text function calculates how many characters, including spaces, there are in the text. That is stored in the variable length. The substring of function can find the individual characters in a text. The first character is M and has the number 0. Remember that spaces must also be counted. For each pass, the characters are stored in the variable letter. I will show where to find the text blocks and how to enter the text you want. I use uppercase letters and end the text with a space. With a microbit it now looks like this. The program for the next microbit looks like this. It receives the digit 2, it displays the new character and passes the previous character to the next microbit. Again, I will show how the variable old and the variables from the radio function must be made. With 2 microbits, it now looks like this. The program for microbit number 3 is just like the previous one, except for these 2 numbers. Now it looks like this. In this way you can add as many microbits as you want. Here I have used 8 units. If you want to be able to stop the moving message, you can make this addition to the program. To start again, reset the microbit with a button on its back. Once again, I will show how to enter a text in the program for the first microbit. Again, uppercase letters and end the text with a space.